Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Desmond.
I'm something.
Alright, so today's topic, we are talking about respect in relationships or marriages.
Alright.
What do you think about this topic? Makes sense, eh?
A lot of sense. If there's anything I've come to realize as a man is that a man who cherishes respect. For a man to love a woman, he must feel respected. Most of the times, it will happen that a man will overlook slightly respect because he loves a woman. But then if you threaten his respect, the tendency that the next woman who respects him takes him move up.
It's very high. Okay, so it means that men cannot do without respect.
It's a good thing.
Wait, so is respect an archaic thing?
No.
People think that men who are okay. What are some of the myths concerning respect? Let's help our viewers to understand. What are some of the things that people think about wildly about respect, but that it's not true. So myths, right?
The fact that we're speaking about equality and equality does not mean that it changes a woman from being a woman and a man from being a man.
Please repeat that again.
I'm saying the fact that we are doing equality does not mean that a woman becomes a man and a man becomes a.
So it doesn't negate the fact that everybody has their role to play.
Exactly.
If you're a woman, stay a woman. If you're a man, stay a man. Don't switch places.
No.
Don't shift the goalpost, right? Okay, makes sense.
Because a man is an egoistic being.
Why is it difficult for some women to respect their men? Let's say you are a woman. You want to be with a certain man. Why is it that you want to be with a man, but you don't want to respect the man?
Well, like I was saying, the equality thing, right? Women have been empowered. So much so that in the olden days, the men used to be the sole providers. So the man brings money to the home all the time. And the woman is doing the home chores, the cooking, the cleaning, the taking care of the kids and the whatnot. Today, a woman is empowered. So some women are even making more money than the men, right? But then it doesn't take away from the fact that marriage is a union.
No, you're not just talking about marriage. Question,
even relationship.
Yes, we're talking about relationship. We said respect. The topic is respect in marriage and relationship.
Right. Okay. So marriage, whether it is marriage, whether it is relationship,
whatever. Yeah.
You are in the relationship as a woman. He's in the relationship as a man. It means that a man must be accorded the respect, because you don't just jump into any relationship. And that is why we don't just jump into any relationship. You jump into a relationship with somebody who is a leader, who is a visionary. He knows where he's going. He knows how you can help him get there. And that is why we were saying in the previous videos that identifying yourself or knowing yourself.
So if you don't understand this one, go back to the other videos. Kindly go back there and you will know what we are talking about. Please follow the journey, okay? So anytime we drop something, go back and listen to the other one. Watch it fully, okay? So that you will be abreast with what we are talking about, because we are on a journey to educate, as we are also learning, okay? So that is what we are doing. So let me take it from this side. Let's say a man and a woman are in a relationship, okay? How would the man love the woman more? What some of the ingredients that makes the man love the woman more? Since they are married, or there are millions or there are thousands of women around, what makes this man yield to this woman?
I think it's for every man, regardless of what any man will say. It is one of two things: respect and submission.
Respect. So respect is different from submission, right?
Yeah, respect.
So tell us, what is respect and what is submission?
Respect is me honoring you. Now, submission comes as a result of me honoring you. So if I say that I respect you, it means that if you tell me to do this, I do it without complaint.
Wow.
I do not murmur. I do not question
So wait, so those ladies these days, you see, people say we are in a modern world, blah blah blah. So those ladies who normally say, udi me sododo, and are they ready for marriage or relation? This thing called relationship.
No.
Into marriage, are they really ready for it?
I think they haven't understood what marriage actually is, or who a man is supposed to be in a relationship. The unfortunate thing, I would say, is when you marry somebody just because of something the person has. Say the man has material possession. Say the man is very intelligent. Say the man has the looks.
Okay, so people marry for those things.
Exactly.
Whereas they are not even thinking about the respect, submission, love, and the most intrinsic things that are very important or important ingredients in marriage or even relationships. They don't look at those things, but rather think about the material stuff. Okay.
So if you go into a relationship because of these things, then you'll be found wanting. Reason being that, imagine I have money.
Talk to me.
And so a woman comes into my life and, you know, she's doing everything that a woman is supposed to do. And I lose the money today. What happens? So now,
right?
The man who had all the money in this world is now struggling. So the woman feels like, why am I still in a relationship with this man who doesn't even know where he's going? He doesn't even have the money that he used to have. Why is he still being a lord over me? Why is he leading me? Where is he leading me to? Then it can begin to bring these problems. But then if I am marrying you because I have seen that you have a vision for your life, I've seen that you know who you are, I've seen that you understand what part I will be playing, then now we are solving that problem. So I am coming into your life because I'm ready, one, to respect you and to submit to your lordship.
So, if I get what you mean, if you are a woman and you don't want to submit to a man, don't marry the man.
Don't even go into
a relationship.
Don't waste your time.
So all the ladies out there, all the men out there who are watching this video, so this informations are for you. Okay, if you're not ready to submit to somebody, please don't marry the person. If you don't want to respect somebody, please don't marry the person. Stay in your lane. Stay in your daddy's house. Stay in your mommy's house. Don't come and disturb somebody's son. Don't go and disturb somebody's daughter. Respect. Because talking about respect in marriage, right? And why men value respect, right? Respect in marriage and relationships. Why men value those things. Okay. So is respect in relationships and marriage godly, or is an egoistic thing that men are always fascinated about?
Oh, I think it's a godly thing. Reason being that a man does not go out of his way to want to be respected. He was created to be respected.
Okay.
So, in the olden days, you can go through history, check the Bible, check whatnot. Most of the time, it was men who were kings. Women were queens. Now, the woman is a queen to a king. So it means that when there's a rule to be made, when there's a decision to be taken, when there's a ruling to be taken, it is a man who takes it. So David was king over all of Israel. There was Queen Esther, but Queen Esther had to go and see her king. She was married
to Xerxes, right?
Exactly. So it means that
all people call him Cyrus.
Exactly. So men are naturally made to be kings. Men. So Bible says that we are kings, right? And so if I am a king and then a woman is also a queen, a king wants respect, a woman wants respect. But then remember that a man wanting respect is not something he can do anything about. Men, number one, are made to be egoistic beings. That is why men have competition. One thing I realized when I was dating my woman was one time we went to Melcom. Now, whilst going to to Melcom, I had to park on the opposite side of the road, so we had to cross the road. I was with my wife now. She was my girlfriend then, but I was with my girlfriend at the time, and then my mother-in-law. Yeah. So we're walking. Yes. So we're crossing the road. And then my mother-in-law said, look at how all the men are looking at my wife. when she said that, come and see me, I think my head got swollen. Reason is that my woman
It's also wanted by other.
died by other men.
Whoa. Okay.
So it is an egoistic, it is
Yes,
embedded
in
in us.
us.
It is that desire to have the best in life.
See, I want to link your excerpt to something that happened in the Bible. That is a biblical allusion I want to
Right.
create here. So there was an instance like that where King Artaxerxes or King Cyrus, I mean, he was meeting his people, his courtesans, as in his people in his courtyard, or some of his generals, I should say. And he wanted to show off the beauty of the wife. You know the name of the wife, right?
Yeah.
What's the name?
I don't know.
Yeah.
No, but I mean, is it like Esther we're talking about?
No,
Which one?
the other one before Esther. Think about it. Who was taking off for Esther to come? So that's
That's a question for you.
that's a question for you people to answer.
I mean,
So-
that is very true. Because I know that there was a woman.
There was
before
a
Esther,
woman
but
before Esther. Somebody
most of
had
the
to make a
times-
mistake for somebody to take
most of
over because the
times,
person lacked
this is our
respect.
problem as Christians. We end up always being centered on who the pastor preaches about, and we forget that it is a whole chapter, it is a whole scripture, it is a whole book. We need to study the whole book to get to the concept. This
So
is
do you still remember?
I don't remember.
Aye.
What's the name of the one?
This is to them because I remember this clearly. So I want them to put another comment section. I mean, so
Well,
that you will come and see.
Yeah, I'm going to do my research. I'll find out. You
So
go and find-
that lady was said to be the most beautiful woman in the whole of what? Babylon. Yes, very beautiful. You see, I don't know the mark for beauty at that time though. But then when Esther came to the scene, Esther was not just beautiful;
yeah,
she was humble,
yeah.
and she was holding a certain credential that was respect. Okay, respect. Respect. This queen was said to what? Was summoned into the presence of the king. And the king will only give you his royal scepter. That is an acceptance. That means that you are safe from being killed.
Yeah.
You can't just appear before the king. The king summons you to come. So the king, the queen was was told by the servant when she was also enjoying herself with the maid servants in her own quarters.
Yeah.
She was told, come, the king wants to what? Show you to his people. Come. Listen to what she told the servant. Go and tell the king, I am not what? I am not coming. I know you are doing your research. Do your research.
Hey,
I am not coming.
out. But I'm not telling you.
Yeah. He said what? I am not coming. So please put the name of the queen, that queen who made a mistake before Esther took over. Put that name under the comment section for me. Have you seen that?
That is it.
Yes.
That is
So somebody had to make a mistake. That's why we are here teaching you this, so that you don't make that mistake. So that somebody will take over your personal person that you really loved. Don't make that mistake. Because this question that we are talking about is a very timely one.
Yeah.
People will love somebody, but they don't want to respect the person.
That's
It's very, very erroneous.
Yeah.
Let that sink in. You can't be with somebody and not respect the person. Please, then don't go into marriage. Don't go into relationship, because this thing called relationship and marriage is for serious people.
Yeah.
It's for our next shooting. You're going to talk about. I mean, our next topic. We're going to talk about. Or should I hide that topic? Should whet the appetite.
You can just wet it. Wet it slightly. Don't give them a bit.
Okay,
Just
we're going to talk about love. Okay, we're going to talk about love. Don't awaken somebody's love until it's ready. We're going to talk about that. Solomon was talking about this one in Songs of Solomon. He said, daughters of Israel, don't awaken my love until it's ready. Some people will awaken your love, then what? Then run away from you. Then the other party is crying and all that.
Yeah.
If you're not ready to love somebody, to respect somebody, don't enter into any relationship with the person.
Yeah.
Sam, am I making sense?
A lot of sense.
Yeah. Because this thing is becoming rampant. social media now these days, somebody will bring their husband's name on social media, insult their husband, say or their wife, say a lot of wicked things about them. This same person,
And
no respect.
And to think about it, this very person we're talking about some years ago was like, this is the best man for their lives, and this is the best woman for my life, and I love you and I cherish you. Some even go to a point of standing before God.
Yes. See, let me see. So because I said I was going to whet your appetite, let me also say this and make emphasis on this one. There's no best person. If you listen to this. There is no best person. There's nothing like this is the best person in the world. No. It is just a privilege. If you have somebody who loves you, just a privilege. Me, my wife loving me, people don't even understand. It's just a privilege. It's not like I did something so extraordinary. No. It's just a privilege. You having somebody, you see, the world is made up of how many people? I think 7 point something billion. We don't know. We just ask them. 7 point something billion. And there's, look at even the people in your community, the people in your office, the people in your church. And the person overlooked all these numbers and came to you there. The Bible says that as bad as you are, you know how to give good things to your children.
Yeah.
As bad as you are, somebody chose you and I. So why should we be pompous? Let's respect each other. That's the most important reason why we are making some of these videos, to put out some of these points, okay, for us to learn. We are also learning as we are saying these things. We are also learning. Okay.
Yeah.
So I mean, let's end the video for today.
Oh, sure.
Let's end the video for today.
So like we have said, and we keep saying, a man is made to be respected, and a woman is made to be loved. Love your women, respect your men.
Love your
women,
respect your
men. God bless you.
God bless you too. So bye for now. Remember to subscribe, like, and also comment under the comment section. This is our third episode, right?
This is what?
Yeah. Our fourth episode. Yeah, it'll be that. Yeah. So if you've not watched the third, second, and also the first, please go down there, look through, and also click on it. Share our videos to other people. Let them also enjoy. This is Sam
and this.
And so bye for now.
Bye.